Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Doma and I am here to improve my English as well as communication skill. I hope you all are doing great and learning something new every day. I am also learning something new every day, especially English. And in this video I want to talk about how I do practice English every day and what I learned so far. So let's start without wasting any time. Uh, if I talk about my journey of learning English, back then I started learning English last 6 months. I started in the month of December. By listening, I started just keep listening English podcasts and different kind of contents. Different contents in English. I keep listening last 6 months. Mm, yeah, listening helped me a lot, number one. And then after that last month I thought that recently last month I thought that I should focus on speaking practice too. If we want to improve our communication skill, then it's important to speak, right? We should mainly focus on speaking. We can improve our communication by speaking. We should speak, right? So I thought that let's start speaking practice too. So how I do speaking practice, let me tell you. I do speaking practice sometimes in front of the mirror, and it gives me a kind of the confidence. It makes me confident. If I keep practicing, if I keep practicing in front of the mirror, it gives me kind of confidence. And another speaking practice, I do practice by recording myself. By recording, I can notice my mistakes. Mostly I do speaking practice with ChatGPT. It Because it gives feedback and corrections. So it's helps me a lot, and that's how I do speaking practice with mirror recording and then with ChatGPT. And another thing I do practice, that is listening practice, right? So I consume some podcast, and sometimes I do practice. I listen one and one English conversation videos. It helps me a lot. Simple English podcast, I watch and listen that simple English podcasts. It really helps me to improve my English. If I talk about back then when I started my English learning journey, 6 months ago, I was not able to even introduce myself properly in English. And yes, so I learned everything by listening, watching, how I consume different contents in English, and I learned from them a lot. So you can also do, if you want to improve your English, you can also consume English every day, and you can do the speaking practice. These two things will help you too. It helped me a lot, and it will help you too. He also disturbing me. Let me talk. I do listening practice for I do listening practice for only 15 minutes, and I practice English speaking. I do speaking practice also for 15 minutes in a day. So this only giving half an hour or 1 hour. Sometimes I give 1 hour in a day, but mostly 15 minutes, mostly half an hour. That's how I uh, consuming lot of content and learning this language last 6 months. And I give only 15 minutes to learn this language. When I do listening practice, I give 15 minutes. I listen some contents, and 15 minutes I do speaking practice. That's how I learn every day. And it's very important to give at least 15 it's very important to give at least half an hour and 1 hour. If we can give 1 hour it's enough for learning something new skill, learning new skill every day, putting effort every day and being a consistent is the very important. So yeah, that's I learned from this journey. What I learned from this journey and what I learned so far, let me tell you, consistency is the key to improve your skill. If you want to improve something or achieve something in your life, consistency plays a vital role, I would say. So even giving 15 or 30 minutes a day, enough, it's enough to improve something new skill. So yeah, I see. For example, I experienced this because I have been learning this language last 6 months only by listening. I now I can speak little longer sentences because of consuming different contents in English, consuming lot of English contents. And yeah, I do speaking practice. I started speaking practice last month. So yeah, if I'll keep like this, if I keep continue speaking and I do that listening and speaking practice continuously, then after 6 months I can see the level, and I can see the changes improvement myself, right? So that's why I'm here, that I want to share my experience, that if you also want to improve your skill, you can also do these two things, that is listening and speaking practice every day, even giving even if you are doing a government job, or if you are a student, and yeah, if you have other responsibility tools, but you can give at least for half an hour in a day. Giving every day half an hour, it will give you many it will change your way of thinking, and many things will change. Giving only 15 minutes or 30 minutes in a day, you can see the changes after 6 months and 1 year. You can see the drastic change in yourself. So yeah, because I believe myself, last 6 months I was not that much confident enough to talk in English, and I was not able to express myself properly. But now I can express myself, whatever I want to say, at least I can express now, because of consuming different kind of contents in English, and different content creator in English. And now I just started speaking. So yeah, so that's how I am learning, and what I learned so far from this journey, let me tell you. Consistency is the key to achieve our goal. So if we want to achieve something, or if you want to improve something new skill, the consistency plays a vital role. So it's very important to keep consistent, whatever we are learning or whatever we are doing in our life. Consistency is the most foremost thing we have to keep in our mind. So that's how I'm learning, and I wanted to share that how I'm learning and what helped me a lot. And yeah, this year mainly I want to focus on listening and speaking practice. Yeah, I want to read, but I don't get enough time to read regularly. But whenever I get time, I'll try to read. I think if we want to achieve something in our life, we should have that self belief and patience, as well as the consistency. We should maintain that consistency, right? So that will reach to your goal. So that's all for today, and I wanted to share about my experience, whatever I experienced, and whatever I am doing. I just wanted to share. So that's all for today. That's what I experienced in throughout this journey, and I wanted to share with you all, guys. That's all for today, and thank you so much for watching my video, and see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.